Good evening, everyone. How's everybody?
Fine, ma'am.
Good. How are you? How are you, ma'am?
I'm also fine. Thank you. Everybody, अच्छा fine at the place of fine हम लोग और भी तो सारे words कह सकते हैं ना कभी तो सीखा है हम लोगों ने. Come on, try. चलो, let me ask you, huh? How are you all? Tell me one by one.
I'm pretty good, ma'am.
Pretty good. That's fantastic. And what
Hello,
about other?
ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening.
How are you, ma'am?
I am hunky dory. How about you?
I'm pretty well.
That's nice. Vaishnavi, beta, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Vaishnavi, I will upload the videos today and you can watch the greetings. The material I shared in announcement option now.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
same material I taught you and we are going to do conversation today. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Hi, Samina.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi. Okay, I can see Indravati also. Indravati, whose picture is this in your profile? Can you hear me, Indravati? Sometimes we have network issues, है ना? Okay, I can see a new face also in the class. A new name is there, Kamakshi. Hello, Kamakshi.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta. Good evening. So, how,
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, I'm attending offline classes also in Bhopal only. I'm from Bhopal, so I'm attending offline classes. And Nikita ma'am told me about you.
that's okay. That's really fine, beta. You are attending offline classes and now you are attending online classes.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I want to practice, so I have joined online classes also. So meanwhile, I'll practice in the evening also, and in the morning I go to Paramount.
Okay, no problem. Hi, Mohit.
Yes, ma'am.
After a long time. Yesterday, we were missing you because only girls were there. You were not there.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm good. Doing well.
That's nice. How's your
You are
son?
looking beautiful today.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. How's your son?
He's good.
That's nice. So now he's half a month, huh? Half a month.
21 days.
Okay.
Yes.
So 21 days old.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good. Okay. Hi, Priyanka. I can see Priyanka also. But Priyanka has said good evening. Correct, Priyanka?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So actually, as we learned greetings yesterday, as I told you about greetings, that to किसी को अभिवादन करना, to greet somebody time to time, to ask how are you, to just reply that how are you. It is very very important to be us to involve in such activities which are called speaking provoking activities. जिससे कहते हैं कि we can improve our speaking with the help of such beginnings, such dialogue, such conversation style, such conversation beginnings, and new words, new vocabulary. We also feel quite refreshing every time as we say I'm fine, thank you, as we say I'm pretty good, thank you. We also say I'm hunky dory. I'm hunky dory. कुछ नया है आज सिखाऊंगी. I'm hunky dory, and we generally, feel so refreshing when we hear a new vocab which is used in spoken, and वो use हो रही है. सिर्फ पता नहीं है. We are able to use it also. Ultimately, it is a fun. So मेरे पास there is another funny activity I have today, and that activity is about, greeting conversations. So yesterday, as I taught you the dialogues, उन dialogues को एक साथ, like I just collaborated them together, And now we have a wonderful conversation here, and these conversations are based on different situations. और मैं बोलूँगी dialogues, different dialogues पर related हैं. And as you read them, you will understand that every time we have used a new dialogue or the other to ask the same thing, you know. So let's start with the first one. We'll be reading one by one, and then we'll be practicing them. Okay. So Vaishnavi will read the first conversation completely. She is going to read the first conversation completely. Come on, Vaishnavi. You can read it, the first conversation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Open mic also when you are, reading. Open your mic also.
Hello. Hello, everyone. How are you?
You read only. You are the first and second speaker. That means you are only the reader right now.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, everyone. How are you? I am pretty fine. Thanks. And you? Pretty well. Thanks. It's nice. It's nice to meet you. Sam here.
Good. Very nice. So it is one type of conversation or a greeting conversation. Okay. Next we have Samina to read the third conversation. Just a second. Yeah. This is the second conversation. Sorry. Second conversation. Come on, Samina. You read.
Okay. Hello, how's everything? It's Hunky. How about you? All's well. We have heard that you have brought a new car. Yeah, I want to buy it for ages. Finally, I got it.
Okay. Okay. So this is another type of conversation. The way is the same, asking how are you and all, but the dialogues are very different. Okay. Then we have Kamakshi. I can see the name here. Come on, Kamakshi, you read the third conversation.
Ma'am, this one? Okay.
Yeah.
Hey girl, what's up? Just chilling, what's new? Nothing much, I'm getting bored. So let's go to the movie. But the theaters are closed now, as I know they'll be open in November. Can't say anything.
Exactly. So this is another one, the third one. Okay. Next we have Priyanka. Priyanka is going to read this fourth conversation.
Hey, a long time no see. You caught my word. What are you doing these days?
Okay, so I'm going Priyanka.
Yeah, ma'am.
Just a second. The remaining part is here.
Okay, ma'am. Take a second, ma'am. I'm completing my graduation and you, so am I.
So am I means मैं भी, huh? As we say na,
Yeah.
मैं भी. So you say same here, but you can also say so am I. Okay. Next we have, after Priyanka, we have the next reader. Next reader is Indravati. Indravati, are you there? Can you hear me? Hi Indravati, can you hear me? No, I don't think she can. Or she can reply. Okay, we have Jinu. Come on, Jinu, you read the fifth conversation, beta.
Yeah, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening.
Can I start, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Howdy, partner. How's life? As usual, nothing new. How are you getting on? I am improving my English communication skills these days. Oh, really? Which institute have you joined? Paramount Institute. You know, it's got effective teaching style. Okay. Is your English getting better? Yeah, I have become confident and English is also getting better. That's nice.
Okay, wonderful. Next we have Richa. I can see Richa. Richa, you read the conversation number 6.
Conversation number. Hi,
Your voice is cutting.
hi, how are you? How are you doing? ये वाला ना मैम?
The same. Yes.
I am fine. How about yourself? I am pretty good. Thank you for asking. No problem. So, how have you been? I have been great. What about you? And I have been good.
Yeah. कैसे हो आप? कैसा चल रहा है सब कुछ? कैसे हो? तो बोलते हैं how have you been? Okay. तो I've been great. हाँ, सब अच्छा ही चल रहा है. अच्छा ही है. What about you? I have been good. मैं भी ठीक हूँ. Like this. Okay. So this is the sixth conversation and the last conversation. Mohit, we'll be reading something else because the conversations got over, but you will be giving chance in the conversation. You were saying that my voice is not coming properly. Is it coming now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now proper.
So we are going to start with the practice of these conversations. As we learned yesterday the dialogues, like how we can greet people and how we can ask, how are you? And at last, how can we depart from there? Nice to meet you. Or we can also finish the conversation properly. So एक पूरा dialogues को मिलाकर we prepare a conversation, as you can see, as you have read also. Now we are going to practice it. So as I told yesterday that for conversation, we require two things. One is verbal communication, which is called spoken communication. And one more is there, the body language part. It is also called the non-verbal communication. In non-verbal communication, your body language, that means your posture and the facial expression called how, which is also called gesture in English. Many people pronounce it gesture, but let me tell you, G के साथ जब E आता है तो वो gesture होता है, ना कि gesture. Okay, it is gesture. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the tone, that is also called voice intonation. आवाज में जो modulation आता है according to the dialogue or the sentence, that is called the voice modulation. We'll be adding voice modulation, we'll be adding facial expression. We can't see the body, we can't see the other posture part, so we will somewhere we'll just keep it aside. लेकिन ये दो चीजों पे जरूर काम करेंगे. तो tone पे सबसे पहले काम करते हैं. Your tone should be jolly. Jolly means should be full of happiness. It should be cheerful. Okay, and then if you are asking something, if you are throwing a question, then your tone should be questioning tone. And when you are just telling, you are just declaring something, your tone should be declarative. Okay, तो इसको practice करते हैं. और किसी से अगर आपने कह दिया है कि it's nice to meet you, तो वो चेहरे पे लगना चाहिए कि मुझे आपसे मिलकर आपसे बात करके खुशी हुई है. So you should have that kind of gesture also while speaking. अभी सिर्फ voice के साथ practice करेंगे. Let's begin. सब लोग मेरे बाद बोलेंगे so that we can talk together, all together with a good practice. Let's begin. Come on, say hello. How are you?
Hello. How are you?
Hello, how are you?
Okay, keep your mics open. Okay. Actually, remember, do not say how are you. It is how are you. Remember this. Okay.
How are
Let's begin again. Let's begin again. Keep your mic on. Keep your mic switch on so that we can speak. Hello. How are you?
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
How are you?
I'm pretty fine, thanks. And you?
I'm
I
pretty
am
fine.
I am
I am
pretty
pretty
fine,
fine, thanks.
And
And
you?
you?
Pretty well, thanks.
Pretty
well.
well.
Pretty well, thanks.
अब ये complete हो गया तो completion वाली feeling होनी चाहिए. Okay. It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to
It's
meet
nice
you.
to meet you.
Same here.
Same here.
Same
ये
here.
भी वो finishing point वाला होना चाहिए कि yeah, we have finished it. Okay. One more. Hello. How's everything?
Hello.
Hello,
Hello.
how's
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 everything?
everything?
Everything is hunky dory. How about you?
Everything is
Everything is
hunky dory.
hunky-dory.
How about
How
you?
about
How about you?
All's well.
All
All
well.
Well,
अब वही व्यक्ति आगे कंटिन्यू कर रहा है, आई हैव हर्ड, ये पता है क्या है, आई हैव का शॉर्ट फॉर्म होता है आई, हम ग्रामर में पढ़ेंगे जब हम हैव वर्ब पढ़ेंगे, बट फॉर द टाइम बीइंग इट शुड बी आई हैव हर्ड दैट यू हैव गॉट अ न्यू कार, कम ऑन,
I heard.
I
I
have
heard.
heard that
brought
you
a
have
new
bought a
car.
new car.
yeah, I wanted to buy it for ages, finally I got it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
wa-
I wanted to
to
buy
buy
it
Buy
for
it for
ages.
ages.
Finally, I
I
got
got
it.
it.
Finally I got it. It should be again finishing point because you have finished this conversation. Okay. Next is we have again. I try to make it little bigger one so that we can add more sentences into it. Now we have dude and gal together. So abhi hum bolenge hi guys because we are together. Mohit is also there. So now we are making a group of people. We can say guys together. हम लोग hi there भी कह सकते हैं. So I'm using here hi there. Okay, come on, say hey there, what's up?
Hey there.
Hey
What's
Hey
up?
there,
What's
what's up?
Hey dear, what's up?
Once again, come on, say hey there, what's up?
Hey dear.
Hey
Hey
dear.
dear,
Hey
What's
dear,
up?
what's up?
Nothing much. I'm getting bored.
Nothing much.
I'm
bored.
getting bored.
I'm
अच्छा,
getting
कुछ
bored.
लोग बोल रहे हैं, कुछ लोग नहीं बोल रहे हैं. देखिए, if it had been an offline class, तो फिर हम लोग काफी अच्छे से एक साथ कर सकते हैं. Being in online class, it is pretty difficult to match the voice with the other. But my opinion is try to do that so that you ultimately आपको इसको रट के वो फॉर्म नहीं करना है. You have to learn the tone to speak that also. That modulation way should also be there, है ना? Sometimes हम कई चीजें समझ नहीं पाते हैं, बोलने में कैसे आएंगी वो. So we get confused. Rather than being confused, open your mic and speak. Try to match up. Okay, come on. इसको restart करेंगे, ठीक है? Hi there, what's up?
Hi
Hey
there.
there,
What's
dear,
up?
what's up?
what's up?
Just chilling. What's new?
Just
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 chilling.
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 What's new?
What's new?
अब बोलना है nothing much, तो वैसे feeling आनी चाहिए, है ना? मतलब थोड़ा सा bored टाइप का हो रहा हूँ, तो वो feeling के साथ बोलना है. Come on, हाँ? Nothing much. I'm getting bored.
Nothing
Nothing much.
Nothing
Nothing
I'm
much.
getting
I'm
bored.
I'm
getting
getting
bored.
bored.
You should have that dull feeling that I am getting bored. Nothing much is there. Okay. So let's go to the movie.
so
So
let's
let's
So
go to the
go
movie.
to the movie.
Okay. Now, but the theaters are closed now.
But the
But
theaters
But the theaters
are
are
closed
closed
now.
now.
theaters are closed now.
As I know, they will be open in November.
As I know,
As
as
I
they
know,
I
will
I
be
know,
know
they
open in
will be
November.
open in
November.
November.
Can't say anything, you know.
Can't
Can't
say
say
can't
anything.
say
you know.
anything.
Okay. Can't say anything means? Can't
कुछ
say
कहा नहीं
anything
जा
means-
सकता.
अरे हाँ, कुछ कह नहीं सकते. Nothing is certain. पता चल जाएगा, but nothing is certain here. Okay. Certain means निश्चित, definite. Okay. Come on. Next one. Let's move to the next one. Come on, say. Hi, long time no see.
Hi,
Hi.
long
Hi,
time
long
no
time
time
no
no
see.
see.
Like for 2 days we have not seen Mohit. अब मोहित को सब लोग देखकर बोल सकते हैं Hi Mohit, long time no see. Come on, say भाई नाम लेकर बोल रहा है. Come on, say. Hi Mohit, long time no see.
Hi Mohit.
Hi, Mohit, long
Long
time
time
no
no see.
Sorry, actually I was in traveling.
So you should say, you know,
Oh,
you
it's
caught my
okay.
words. ऐसे ही बोलो Mohit. Come on Mohit, you say like that. You know, you caught my words.
Sorry, ma'am.
The second one.
What is
Fourth का second one. Yeah, you are speaker number second now. Fourth conversation, second number.
okay? You know, you caught my words.
अब सब लोग मिलके बोलते हैं, ठीक है? उसके बाद मोहित, you answer us, where were you? Okay, that same answer you give us. Okay, come on guys.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Let's ask the question. The speaker number 1 dialogue. Come on, come on. 1, 2, 3. Ask.
What are you doing these
Yeah, speak up. What are you doing these days? Yeah,
What are
Mohit.
you
Ask with
doing
me.
these days?
Yeah, Mohit. We are
Which ma'am?
asking, what are you
Yeah.
doing these days?
Yeah, today I joined my office. Uh, that's all.
And you ask, and you?
And you?
Okay. Who will answer? Who will answer? Let Samina answer. Samina, he is asking that I have joined my office today, and you? You can also answer. What have you done today, or what are you doing? Come on.
Nothing much. Just chilling.
Wonderful,
That's
very good. इसको इस तरह करना होता है. जरूरी नहीं है that we should learn them and we should speak the same. We can actually modify the sentences according to our situation. Okay. चलो fifth number का सब साथ में करने वाले हैं as it is. So howdy I told yesterday also. Howdy means hello. Okay. Come on, ready. Let's get started. Howdy partner. How's life? Come on, repeat the sentence. Howdy partner,
Howdy,
how's
partner.
life?
Howdy,
How's
partner.
life?
Life.
As usual, nothing new. How are you getting on?
As
As
usual,
usual,
nothing
nothing
new.
new.
How are you
How
getting
How
on?
are you
getting
getting on?
Very good. I'm improving my English communication skills these days.
I'm improving
I'm
my
improving my
English
English communication
communication
these days.
These days.
Very good. थोड़ा सा fluently लेके चलते, जल्दी बोलते हैं. Let's practice. जल्दी बोलेंगे. देखो मैं बोल रही हूँ, आप लोग मुझसे भी fast बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है? I'm improving my English communication these days.
I'm
improving my English communication
English
skill these
communication
days.
skills these days.
Very good. But oh really? Which institute have you joined?
Oh, really?
Oh,
Oh,
really?
really?
Have you
Which
joined?
institute have you joined?
Paramount Institute. You know, it's got effective teaching style.
Paramount
Paramount
Institute.
Paramount
Institute.
Institute.
No.
You know,
got
it is
effective
has
teaching
got
style.
effective teaching style.
Okay. Is your English getting better?
Okay.
Okay. It's
Your
your
English
Is your
English
English
getting
getting better?
Yeah, I have become confident and English is also getting better.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
I have
have
become confident and English is also getting better.
getting better.
That's nice.
That's
That's
nice.
Nice.
Very good. Now we have another dialogue which is called How are you doing? Yesterday only we learned and we are going to practice this one. So let's get started. Hi, how are you doing?
Hi. How
How
are you
are you?
doing?
How are you
How
doing?
are you doing?
I'm fine. How about yourself?
I
I'm
am
fine.
Fine.
How
How
about
about
How
you?
yourself?
About yourself?
I'm pretty good. Thanks for asking.
I'm
I
pretty
am
good.
I'm
pretty
pretty
Thanks
good.
good.
for asking.
Thanks for asking.
No problem. So, how have you been?
No
No
problem.
problem.
How
So
have
how
you
have
been?
you been?
you been?
I've been great. What about you?
I've been great. What about you?
great.
Ma'am,
What about
so
अब देखो क्या है उसमें?
so
I
how
have
you been का
have
मतलब क्या है?
been great. Wait, Samina. Let me tell you. I
Okay.
have been great. यहाँ पे वो I have को we actually abbreviated it, short form में लिखा है, and now I have has become I. Come on, practice. Speak after me. I. Exactly. Come on, speak. I.
I've
Okay. Now
I've-
repeat. Now repeat the complete sentence. I've been great.
I've been great.
I've been great. What about you?
Very good. अब आपको लगता है कि what is the meaning of how have you been? How have you been means how are you doing? How's your life going on? How's everything going? How are you? Actually, the same thing is there, but asking कि आपका काम या जिंदगी कैसी चल रही है. That small sentence has the same meaning. So, how have you been? और सब कुछ कैसा चल रहा है? तो आंसर में क्या आएगा? सब कुछ अच्छा है, क्या बोलेंगे? I've been great, I've been good, I've been pretty fine. हमें सब कुछ, मेरे साथ सब कुछ अच्छा है, everything is going well, है ना? अच्छा आंसर आया. What about you? तो आप भी क्या बोलोगे? I've been good. मैं भी
I've
ठीक
been
हूँ,
good.
सब कुछ ठीक से चल रहा है, मेरे साथ सब कुछ ठीक से चल रहा है. The same meaning.
Everything is going well.
Okay, that means हमको पता है ना, how are you has different ways and these are the different ways here. Okay, now I can see the students in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a second, just a second. Okay, so here what we are going to do is I'm going to give you the partners today, and according to the partners you guys can continue. Like I will give you the topics also, the conversation also, and you can start with it. Okay, so let's begin. First we have, I can see Mohit, and we have Vaishnavi. We have Mohit and Vaishnavi. So I want Mohit and Vaishnavi to perform conversation number 5 and 4. Conversation number 5
5 and 4.
and 4. Okay? And
Yeah, ma'am.
Samina and Jinu. Samina and Jinu are going to perform conversation number 1st and 2nd. Samina and Jinu are going to perform conversation number 1st and 2nd.
Okay, ma'am.
Conversation number
Okay,
1st
ma'am.
and 2nd. Okay.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
then we have I don't know whether Indravati will speak or not. So we have, I think, 5 members in the group right now, but I can't say about Indravati. So now I have divided into two groups, like one group, 2 conversations, the other group, the second conversation. Okay, we have Priyanka also. She's also joining. Maybe network issue is there. Fine. So let's begin. Let's start with Mohit and Vaishnavi. Okay. So yeah, Mohit and Vaishnavi. You guys, if
Ma'am,
you guys
who
are
is
ready, we can
Speaker
have
1.
4th one and then 5th one.
Ma'am, who is speaker 1?
Okay, so you are the speaker number 1. Vaishnavi, you also open your camera so that we can see you.
Yeah, ma'am.
Hi, long time no see.
You know, you caught my birds.
Oh, what are you doing these days?
I am completing my graduation, and you?
Speaker 1. So am I, ma'am? Change है क्या?
So am I, me, same to same. But if you are doing something else, you can change the sentence. Okay.
Okay. So am I. How the partner? How's life?
As usual, nothing new. How are you getting on?
I'm improving my English communication skills these days.
Oh, really? Which institute have you joined?
Paramount Institute, you know, it's got effective teaching style.
Okay. Is your English getting better?
Yeah, I have become confident, and English is also getting better.
That's nice.
Okay. अभी थोड़ा सा it looked like more practice. तो अभी क्या कर सकते हैं? I just want you to come again, perform again, but this time you should look realistic. Okay, come on, let's begin. Once again, both of you.
Okay. Hi Vaishnavi. Long time no see.
You know, you cough my birds.
What
What
are
are
you
you
doing these
doing?
days?
I am completing my graduation, and you?
Actually, there is some network problem, ma'am. I am unable to hear it
But I
properly.
can hear her. I can hear you
Hello?
also. Yeah, there is
Hi,
network
Mohit.
problem.
Hello? Am I
Hello.
audible, ma'am?
Yeah, you are audible.
Hello?
You are audible.
Hello,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, Vaishnavi.
Vaishnavi, repeat the sentence. I am completing my graduation, and you?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I am completing my graduation, and you?
So am I.
Okay, Vaishnavi, now you start. You start. Howdy, partner. How's life?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Howdy, partner. How's life?
As usual, nothing new. How are you getting on?
I am improving my English communication skills these days.
Oh, really? Which institute have you joined?
Paramount Institute. You know it's got effective teaching style.
Okay. Is your English getting better?
Yeah, I have I have become confident and English is also getting better.
Oh, that's nice.
Very good.
Yes.
Come on, clap for them. You can clap. You can show the reaction also. So quickly clap for them. Okay. So we have, very nice. Now we have
Thanks,
second
thanks very much.
group. The second group is from Jinu and Samina. And the conversations are first and second. Come on, girls, open your camera so that I can just pin yours ID and everybody can see you. Yeah. Okay, then we have Juno also. Yeah, let's begin, girls. The first conversation.
Ma'am, who is speaker number 1?
Okay, let's begin. Gino, you are speaker number 1 and Samina is the speaker number 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Hello, Smina. How are you?
I am pretty fine. Thanks. And you?
Pretty well, thanks.
It is nice to meet you.
Same here. Hello, how's
Hello.
everything?
How's everything?
Everything is hunky-dory. How about you?
All's well. We had heard that you have bought a new car.
Yeah, I wanted to buy it for ages. Finally, I got it.
Okay. एक बार और करेंगे. That would look more natural. So let's do it again. And same sequence will be there. Come on, you start Gino, and then second will be started by Samina. Yes.
Hello, how are you?
मैम शो नहीं कर रहा है मेरे को. I am
Samina,
pretty fine and thank. Hello. हाँ.
carry on.
I am pretty fine. Thanks. And you?
Pretty well, thanks.
It is nice to meet you.
Same here.
Hello.
Okay.
How's everything?
Everything is hunky-dory. How about you?
All's well. Have you heard that you have bought a new car?
Go on.
Yeah, I wanted to buy it for ages. Finally, I got it.
Wonderful. Very good. Come on, clap for them also. Wonderful conversation. Okay. Now we have, I can see Priyanka. Is Priyanka there? No, she's not there. There must be network issue. Vaishnavi, Indravati, are you in the condition of speaking?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have, okay, let's take Vaishnavi once again, and Vaishnavi would be, no, wait, wait, Indravati, just give me a minute, just have patience. Hi, Pushpa ma'am. Pushpa ma'am, can you hear me? She can hear me, but she is not replying. She must be in the condition of not speaking, maybe. Okay, so I want Vaishnavi and Indravati to open their cameras and mic. Yeah. Come on, Indravati, you also open so that I can put you on a spotlight. Yes, very good. Good girl. Okay. So here we have two partners and they are going to speak. Okay. So just a second. Girls, you're going to have the third conversation and Indravati would be the first speaker. Okay.
Okay. Hey
Start.
girls, what?
Carry on, carry on.
Hey girls, what's up?
Just chilling. What's new?
Nothing much. I am getting bored.
So let's go to the movie.
But the theaters are closed now.
As I know, they will be opened in November.
Can't say anything.
Okay. Let's do it again and it should look more natural now. Okay. And try to say November. Come on, Vaishnavi, speak November.
November.
हाँ, in Hindi का जो वो होता है उसमें हम कहते हैं November, but in English we call
Yes, ma'am.
it November. Okay, come on. Let's start.
Yes, ma'am.
Indravati, start again.
Okay, ma'am. Hey girls, what's up?
Just chilling. What's new?
Nothing much. I am getting bored.
So let's go to the movie.
But the theaters are closed now.
As I know, they will be open in November.
Can't say anything.
Yes, we can't say anything. है ना? How many of you are missing theaters? How many of you are habitual of watching movies in theaters? Come on, thumbs up. Thumbs up and tell me. I don't miss.
Yes,
you know,
ma'am.
I never. Oh my god. Okay, fine. I want Jinu to open her mic and get a pair with Indravati and do this conversation. Come on.
Okay.
Thank
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
Vaishnavi. Thank you. Wait, Indravati. Wait.
Ma'am, Pushpa ma'am is also available now.
But she is not speaking anything. I told her. Pushpa ma'am, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Priyanka, are you also there?
Yeah, ma'am.
Hi, Priyanka. Can you speak again?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. She's so
I'm-
Pushpa ma'am and Priyanka will make a pair. Mohit, let Jinu speak another conversation with Indravati. Jinu, are you in the condition of speaking? Can you open the mic and camera?
Just a second, ma'am.
Okay.